Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas on my YouTube channel Civil Engineers Help Desk. Viewers, today we have a very important topic and which is how to calculate length of haunch bar. Viewers, first of all I will tell you about what is haunch bar. Viewers, you can see this. I have draw a cross section of underground water tank in which you can see this bar, where this bar is known as haunch bar. But engineers, remember that there are two another name that are used on site or in practical life rather than haunch bar. Whereas on site mostly we call it chamfer bar. You must remember this chamfer bar because normally steel fixer and supervisor call it chamfer bar. Also this bar is also known as connection bar. If you didn't hear about this, please remember this. Haunch bar is also known as chamfer bar, connection bar. Because haunch bar has another name which is called tapered bar. Because these are the name that are used on site, because when you go toward steel fixer do not know that what is haunch bar, but steel fixer will know what is chamfer bar, connection bar or tapered bar. Viewers, the main difficulty is this: when you see the drawing of any structural member in which haunch bar is given, so you must know how to calculate the length of this bar, and you have to give schedule to the steel fixer. For giving schedule to steel fixer, you must know the length of this haunch bar. So today we will discuss that what is the shortcut formula to find the length of this haunch bar. Viewers, first of all I will show you the drawing of underground water tank in which I will show you where haunch bar is given. Then we will work on this our cross section, because basically this cross section is taken from this drawing. I am showing you the drawing. This is, viewers, this is the drawing of underground water tank. This is the bed, these are the wall, and this is the slab. Viewers, you can see in bottom in bed there is a bar which is given on two side, in this side and in this side, where this bar is called haunch bar, chamfer bar, connection bar, or you can say it tapered bar. Viewers, you can see this is the steel drawing of this underground water tank in which steel details are given, but in whole drawing there is not given the length of this chamfer bar. Only length of this area is given. This straight line and this straight line will be 12 inches, mean 1 feet, but this length is not given in our steel drawing. Only there is dia of steel bar is given. That means you can use 3 by 8 dia, mean 3 by 8 mean 10 dia bar you can use in this chamfer, and the spacing will be 12 inches center to center, mean from one bar to another bar the spacing must be 12 inches. But in whole drawing this length is not given, and in practical life this issue will be faced, because in every drawing most of the designer do not give this length in their drawings. So engineers, as an engineer you must know how to calculate this length, because this is engineer responsibility to give schedule to steel fixer or to give proper length of steel to steel fixer. So viewers, please watch very carefully, because I have drawn this section. I have taken this section of underground water tank here. This is the same cross section. I have only draw this portion of this water tank on my page, and I will discuss and I will calculate length of haunch bar on this page. So I showed you the basic that from where I have taken the cross section. Hope that you understand this cross section. So I am removing this page. So comes to the topic. Now we have this cross section, and viewers, how we will calculate the length of this haunch bar. Viewers, there are various method to find the length of this haunch bar or chamfer bar or connection bar, but remember that the very short method that we used on site is this formula method. We will use this formula, and by this formula we will calculate very easily the length of this haunch bar. The another method that we normally use on site is we will measure the length of haunch bar on site by our measuring tape. When the steel is fixing in underground water tank or any structure where chamfer bar or haunch bar is given, we go to the steel and we take length by approximation. So but not on every side approximation is allowable. So as an engineer you should work properly. So this is the formula that will give you the proper length of haunch bar. Viewers, what is the formula? Formula is under root 2, here is bracket B. What is the meaning of B? Viewers, B mean width of haunch. What is width of haunch? I will show you the drawing here. This is haunch. Viewers, if you can see this, this is haunch. This is not 90 degree. This is haunch given in bottom of tank. This is called B, mean the length of haunch. This is called length of haunch. This is given in diagram that the length of haunch should be 3 inches. This doesn't mean the length of haunch bar. Haunch bar length is different thing that we will calculate by this formula, but the length of haunch is given, mean this tapered or this chamfer should be 3 inches. This is called B. So where this B mean, the B that used in formula mean width or length of haunch. Length of haunch. This is haunch. So the length of haunch that must be given in diagram. We should know this is 3 inches. So here we have B 3 inches. Now B plus T bed. T bed mean thickness of bed. T for thickness, bed mean this is bed, thickness of bed. So T bed mean thickness of bed. Viewers, in our diagram this is bed and the thickness of bed is given as 10 inches. So T bed we have 10 inches plus T wall. T wall mean thickness of wall. This is the wall associated to this bed, so the thickness of this wall is required. T wall. T wall mean thickness of wall. Short terms are used in this formula, so I am writing full forms. Thickness of wall, T wall, which is given as, you can see this thickness of wall is 6 inches. Minus 2 under root 2 plus 1, these are the mathematical thing that you can calculate. Multiply cover, here is the concrete cover. Viewers, in our diagram or in our drawing in underground water tank, the thickness is given as concrete cover given as 1 inch. You can, if you have any drawing, you can read it in notes. In every drawing notes, the cover for every structural member is given. In our drawing the cover is 1 inches, so I have taken cover as 1 inches. So viewers, this is the formula, and in formula we have B, T bed, T wall and this cover. We have 4 things that we must required, and luckily we have these all things from this diagram. This is thickness of wall, this is thickness of bed, this is length of haunch which is called B, and cover we have 1 inch cover. So now we will put these values in this formula and directly we will calculate the length of our haunch bar. So viewers, come to the formula. First of all, we will put values. This is under root 2, under root 2 will remain same. This is b mean length of haunch. This is length of haunch which is given in diagram and which is 3 inches. So I have put 3 inches plus t bed mean thickness of bed is the 10 inches given in diagram, plus t wall mean thickness of wall is given as 6 inch. So I have put 6 inch, bracket close, minus 2, bracket open, under root 2 plus 1, multiply cover is 1 inches as given in our notes, that for underground water tank the cover will be 1 inches and every structure cover will be different. So refers to your drawing whenever you are solving by this formula. Viewers, now we will calculate. For calculation very easy, as we know that under root 2 mean 1.41, 3 plus 10 plus 16, so it will be 19 inches, minus 2, under root 2 mean 1.41 plus 1 multiply by 1 inches. So 1.41 multiply by 19 inches minus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 1, and it will come 2.82 multiply by 1. This is not simple mathematics, you can solve easily, or by any using scientific calculator you will solve these value in one step. So I am not using calculator here, so I am solving manually. So 1.41 multiply by 19, it will come 26.79 minus 2 multiply 2.82 multiply 1, this will come 4.82. You can solve by calculator or by any method you know. So 26.79 minus 4.82, it will come, how much it will come? You can solve, it will come, I am using calculator, so you can use your own calculator, and in 26.79 minus 4.82, it will come 21.97 inches. Where this is the length of haunch bar or chamfer bar, connection bar, or you can say a tapered bar. So but this is in inches, we will convert this in foot. So dividing by 12, so 21.97 divided by 12, it will come 1.8. so it means 1.8 feet. So viewers, by this formula we have get 1.8 feet length. So if I draw cross section here, this will be our haunch bar or connection bar, or you can say tapered bar or chamfer bar. We do not require this. The major issue is this length, and this length is this length we can get by this formula, and this is 1.8 feet. Normally in drawings this length is given, this length is also given, these two length will be remain same. If this length is given as in our drawing, you can see here this length is given 12 inches, so it is 12 inches mean 2 feet, so this will be 12 inches 2 feet. But this length is not given, this length is calculated by this formula. So we have used this formula and we have calculated this length, and this is 1.8 feet. So it's mean if you are providing haunch bar in water tank or any structure, normally this is in water tank, water retaining structure mostly have haunch bar, so you can calculate this length by this formula. So we have calculate haunch length for this water tank, and it is 1.8 feet. So you will go to steel fixer and tell him that this length must be 1.8 feet. Because why it is necessary to give this length properly? Because if you give this length by approximation, so when the steel fixer will fix this bar in these distribution and main bars, so this will not come properly, this will disturb the other bars, so this will also disturb formwork. So this bar length should be according to code. So this is the formula by which we have calculated the length of haunch bar. Viewers, hope that you like my video. Please share this video and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Thank you.